Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix music stops playing when screen turns off in Amazon Music. So if your app stops playing when your screen turns off or black, it's almost always due to a battery or background restrictions on your phone. So actually guys, the most important part is the first one, or the one that I'm going to show you right now. So you will need to disable the battery optimization, okay? So your phone may be stopping the app to save power. So all you need to do is to go to the settings, go with battery, and here just scroll to the low power mode and make sure that it's turned off, okay, not on, off. And also you will need to turn off the data saver or the power saving mode. So these modes can pause streaming when screen is off, so just go ahead. If that mode is on, just go ahead and disable it. Also disable the data saver or allow Amazon Music through it. Also guys, I really want you to check the internet stability, so weak Wi-Fi or mobile data can cause playback to stop when idle. And try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data as well. Also guys, I really advise you to update or reinstall the app, so just go with your Apple App Store and then just look for Amazon Music. Tap on the app and after that just update it if available. Also, if still broken, you can uninstall it and reinstall it after. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.